Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Friday, July the 25th. It has to be said there's some beauties around at the moment, and I'm starting off with Edge Resources, where you can see that there's been a rising trend channel in place on the daily chart since April. A couple of rebounds off the falling RSI support line from April here towards the 40 level, and decent push to the upside after a sort of narrow bear trap below the 10 pence level over the last couple of sessions. The view now is that while there's no end of day close back below 10 pence, we should see a partial or even a full retest of June resistance as high as 16 pence over the next 4 to 6 weeks. Best case scenario target as high as the upper parallel here towards 18 pence. If you're cautious on the stock, maybe you'd wait on a break of the 50-day moving average at 11.52 pence or RSI 50 versus RSI 46 at the moment. I was told yesterday that I need to upgrade my technical target on rare earth minerals, and this may be right. I think it was initially looking for 1.5 pence around a month ago, beginning of June. Current situation, it looks like we've got a V-shaped bull flag here above the 20-day moving average at 1.44 pence. Extended RSI support line, multi-tested since February, which is a great plus. Obviously, what we would like to see is a weekly close above the initial July peak at 2 pence plus to take us back for a 2.4 pence August 2013 retest. The best case scenario here is that we hit the top of the wide August 2013 price channel at 3 pence over the next 1 to 2 months, and probably the best stop loss on the bull argument at the moment would be an end of day close back below 1.66 pence, which is the current position of the 10-day moving average. Moving on to UK Oil and Gas, and here it can be seen how we've got another rising trend channel as you would expect with these bulletin board hero stocks. Good consolidation here around the 1 pence level or just below that over recent sessions. 0.93 pence was the high in June, and that's been established really as new support for July. Looking for a break of the 1.2 pence zone, which has been recent resistance, to take the shares back up to a 2 pence target, which is the top of the June price channel. Mosman Oil and Gas, I've been looking at this over the last few days. It did look as though there was going to be support coming in at the 50-day moving average, but I didn't want to jump the gun on this, as that can sometimes be fatal with stocks of this nature. But decent up move yesterday with the price action wholly above the 50-day moving average at 22 pence, and also the floor of a rising May price channel. And the message at the moment really is that while there's no end of day close back below the 50-day line, we should see a partial or even full retest of the best levels of June and July towards 50 pence over the course of August and September. If you're cautious here, maybe wait for an end of day close above the 20-day moving average, shown here in grey at 28.7 pence. Finishing off with Cyan, which has been quite a decent bull situation over the June going into July was the first occasion, the initial impulse of the rally. It looks like we're ready for the second stage now. 0.4 pence, the floor of a rising June channel, is the nominal support, and that's been tested on 2 or 3 occasions. Extended RSI uptrend line there, and there's been a rebound off this. If you're cautious, maybe you wait for 0.5 pence to be broken before going long to target the top of last month's price channel at 0.7 pence by the end of next month or going into September. That's it from me. More updates on spreadbetmagazine.com.